So hello students, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss a topic that is related with a subject of industrial engineering, that is of 6th sem mechanical engineering. Now the topic name is entrepreneurship. Now first of all, before going to detail, we need to understand what is an entrepreneur, who is an entrepreneur, how to give the definition of an entrepreneur. So for that, let me give you one example. That if your father is running some kind of business or he is having some kind of a shop, and if you take responsibility of that shop after your father, so can you say that you are an entrepreneur? Yes or no? This is a confusing question. Basically the answer is no, because an entrepreneur is not the one who take over an already existing business. An entrepreneur is a person who develops one business or who does some innovating things. Let us assume one person in a society. What does he do is he identifies some problem in a society, right? The problem may be of any kind. After that, he tries to find out the solution for that same problem. And when he gets the solution, he will try to apply the solution socially, right? So that it will be helpful to all the people. What he will do is he will apply that solution globally, and he will recruit some people to do the task, right? So in short, an entrepreneur is a person who recruits more people, right? And he will help everybody to grow as a global platform, and his innovation will be helpful to all the people, and by that solution he will earn some kind of money, he will grow as a business, he will make some contacts, and he will grow further. That is an entrepreneur. And in this process he will be requiring to take some risk. Before, every entrepreneur is not successful, as we all know. So very few succeed in their life, and to get that success they need to work hard, very hard. So that includes the risk. Then one more thing is, an entrepreneur is an important driver of economic growth. So if an entrepreneur innovates something, then it will be helpful for the nation also to grow globally, and it will be helpful in the economy also, right? So that is a basic definition of an entrepreneur. A small businessman or small business that is already existing, that is not an entrepreneurship. Let us go to next slide. Now these are some of the characteristics of an entrepreneur. What are the properties that a person that is going to be an entrepreneur should be having? Those are self-motivation, understanding what to offer, taking risks, know how to network, passion, management skills, leadership, creativity, knowledge, etc. etc. So let us understand them one by one. First is about self-motivation. Now what do you mean by self-motivation? So a person who is going to be an entrepreneur, he should be having that confidence in himself that he will succeed. If he is having some kind of doubt initially, then he will definitely not succeed in that goal, or he will not reach the goal, right? So that self-motivation is very necessary, that yes, I can do something, or yes, I will do something. He will be looking for some dreams that I will be reaching at this post after some time. So that self-motivation is very important. Then one more thing is understanding what to offer. Now, how to understand what to offer? So to understand that, you need to find out the problem. Every innovation starts with a problem. You need to have some problem, that this is the problem, I cannot do this, so how to solve this? So to solve that problem, you will be working hard and you will be applying some different techniques, and after that application, or after the application of science and technology, you will find some solution, and that is the growth of the innovation. After that, one more characteristic is taking risk. We all know that everybody who wants to become Bill Gates or Steve Jobs or Jack Ma or any other person you may be dreaming of. That everybody is not successful, but you need to take a risk. The risk in terms of finance, risk in terms of a failure to do something. You may be fail in your task. You cannot be assured that I will succeed. But you may fail, but from that failure, you will learn something. You will try to find out the reason for that failure. So this risk is there, but you need to take that risk. If you want to achieve something, the risk will be higher. Then one more thing is know how to network. Networking means what? Means connecting with more and more people. If you want to innovate something, then you need to come across a number of people. And the more people you meet, the more knowledge you will gain. So this networking is very important. You need to connect to lower level people also or higher level people also. So all the people, if you go through hierarchy, all from lower level to higher level people you need to connect, and you need to find some knowledge from that. Then only you will be getting more idea about your innovation. Then passion. That passion should be constant in you. Some people are there that they for first week or for 2 or 3 days they work very hard. But after that they get tired very easily and they stop their hard work. So that should be not there. You need to have passion throughout the journey, and this passion will drive you to reach your goal. And one more thing is management skills. Now this management is, if you talk about an industry you have many kind of elements. For example, money, man, machine, equipment, tools, right? So all these different elements you need to manage very successfully. If you are successful in managing those resources, then you will be succeeding in your achieving your goal. So resources may be people also, right? So any kind of resources you need to manage them in very successful manner. Then only you will be succeed. Then one more characteristic is leadership. Now, if you want to go through a longer journey, then you need to be with more people and you need to lead them in a correct direction, right? Here leadership means not that you need to just give orders to the people to get some task done. You need to have a better team connection, right? You need to be a good team member and leader also, so that people will listen to you. There will be some focus on yourself, and people will give importance to what you are saying to them. So that will be a good quality. If you are having a good leadership quality, then that will be very helpful to become an entrepreneur. Then next is creativity. This is also very important, that some tasks are very common. All the people think that this should be done in this common way. But if you are more creative, then you can find a different way to do some task, and that different way that will give attention of more people, and then people will identify you that this person is doing this very differently. Then there should be some knowledge with this person. That is more important, creativity. And one more thing, that is knowledge. The innovation may be in any field. That may be in education, engineering, industry, agricultural, science, whatever may be the field, right? Food processing, but aerospace. But you need to have keen knowledge of that field. If you are not having keen knowledge, then you cannot innovate something, or you cannot do something on a larger platform. You need to have thorough knowledge, basic knowledge of that field. Then only you will be succeeding to achieve your objectives, right? So these are some of the characteristics of an entrepreneur. Thank you for listening.